Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on your DYON Movie Smart TV. First of all, let's go to the connection settings. So in settings, scroll down to connection menu, then select network, select network configuration. Make sure that you have wireless connection type selected and see if you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now, if you are connected but you still have connectivity issues, let's go to internet connection screen, and now let's select net connection test. Now the connection test will be performed immediately, and on this schema you'll be able to see whether your TV is able to connect to your Wi-Fi router and whether your router is able to connect to the internet. Now, if there is an issue here between your router and the web, that means that that you should restart your router and see if it works after that. And if it doesn't, then you're gonna have to contact your internet service provider and ask them for any outages or any issues on their side. Now, if we have an issue right here between our TV and the router, the first thing that I recommend doing is checking date and time on your TV. So let's go back to the settings and scroll down to system. Then in system, select time, enter your parental control pin, and if you don't have one, create it right now. And after that, we're gonna have to select date and time. Now, make sure to turn on auto synchronization, and if auto synchronization synchronizes your timing correctly, then you can disable it and instead adjust date and time yourself by selecting one of these options, then selecting the correct values yourself, and then to apply these changes, you're gonna have to select confirm, and this way adjust your date and time and set correct values. Also, make sure to select the correct time zone in the time zone menu. Now, check the connection status once again. So go back to connection, network, internet connection test, and see if this helped you. Now, if this didn't, first of all, let's try to put all the devices that might use your wireless network aside from the TV. So it can be your wireless speaker, it can be your smartphone, it can be your laptop. If they are too close to your TV, try putting them aside, as it will improve your device's connectivity. And if this doesn't help, let's simply reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. So let's go to network configuration, then let's select our Wi-Fi network and let's try to reconnect to it. If it doesn't help you, let's switch the connection type to off, and then simply let's turn it to on and to wireless, and wait until our device reconnects to our Wi-Fi network. And after that, let's try to cold reboot our TV. So turn it off by pressing the power button once, and then unplug it from the power source for about 15 seconds or maybe even half a minute. And after half a minute of being unplugged from the power source, you're gonna have to reconnect your device to it. And then turn on your TV once again and try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, the TV should reconnect automatically, but if it still cannot do this, then maybe there is a compatibility issue between your TV and your Wi-Fi router. So try, for example, creating a portable hotspot on your smartphone, then go to your connection, then go to network, and then try to, instead of your Wi-Fi connect to your portable hotspot on your smartphone. Maybe that is the issue. Now, if it can connect to your smartphone and use the internet from your mobile device, then maybe you either have to replace your router with a newer version, or maybe you're gonna have to go to your router settings and change the band from just one band, from a single band to two different 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz bands, because this TV, from what I saw so far, so from what I've seen so far, it only supports 2.4 gigahertz connections, and it doesn't support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and maybe this is the issue for you. So after these troubleshooting steps, you will most definitely fix the Wi-Fi issue on your TV, and I hope that this video helped you with that. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.